Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harrison County in southeastern Mississippi, northern Hancock County in southern Mississippi, southeastern Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Hoglerville to 6 miles northwest of Kiln, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sauget and Kiln. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southern and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Hancock, Harrison, and Pearl River.